Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an affiliate website with Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a niche that interests you and has a viable audience. Research potential products to promote that align with your chosen niche. Decide on a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Register your domain with a reputable domain registrar. Select a reliable web hosting provider that suits your budget and needs. Install WordPress on your hosting account, as it is user-friendly and versatile. Choose a responsive theme that enhances user experience and complements your niche. Customize your website's appearance by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. Create essential pages such as home, about, contact, and privacy policy. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program to gain access to affiliate links. Browse through the Amazon Marketplace to find products relevant to your niche. Generate affiliate links for the products you want to promote on your website. Write high-quality, engaging content that features the products naturally. Include your affiliate links within the content for easy access. Optimize your content for search engines by conducting keyword research. Incorporate relevant keywords into your headings, meta descriptions, and throughout your articles. Promote your website on social media platforms to attract more visitors. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and fostering a community. Monitor your website's performance using analytics tools to track traffic and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on analytics data to improve your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay updated with Amazon's policies and program changes to ensure compliance. Continuously create fresh content to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.